Welcome back. This is part two. We were running out of space. That's because I've been doing so many videos lately. So now, this is the scalp prep part two of the XTC Trichology hair package. So pretty much, now this is one of my favorite products because this actually helps to unblock all the follicle buildup in your hair follicles. A lot of times they can come from sebum, just maybe different things, chemicals. They have a lot of different type of pollutants in the air, and just products. Just I guess overuse of products. And I know some of you guys even be trying to still get your relaxers. So this just really helps to clean the hair, and it goes actually. It has been proven scientifically to go all the way from the beginning of your hair shaft, right where your scalp begins, and to further down, even to the root, to the papilla, where the nutrients go. So this is excellent. This helps to unblock those follicles. And a lot of people, as I was talking about earlier, try to re-engineer, you know, what they get from people like me, the weave doctors and trichologists, and people who have gone to medical school in dermatology. But we have been trained, and these are formulated packages that have been proven over the last 20 years. So this system works. So this is what you need, and this actually, I know a lot of clients right now maybe considering purchasing some of these products and using them at home. This can be done at home. And pretty much it says clinically proven and laboratory tested to work beneath the scalp surface to increase the flow of nutrients to the hair follicles and root. Also, a high concentration of B vitamins is in this as well, and it helps to strengthen hair significantly, aids in penetration of topical hair products. And without this, you will not get any penetration. You can buy all the hair products that you want. You can get all the massages that you want. If those hair follicles are blocked, girl, you can get the best one on the market, honey. I don't care if you pay $200 for it. But if those hair follicles are blocked, your hair will not be able to receive any of the nutrients, and it will be a complete waste. And we will be performing this service for our Trichology hair loss clinic services. And this hair service can be done at home. All you need is probably 10 to 12 droplets applied in the area and with the cotton swab. And we have so many demonstrations already that are on YouTube. Now we have our wonderful BioCure shampoo. This is another DHT inhibitor, and DHT is it is a hormone that is caused from the production of too much testosterone in the body. And when there's not enough enzymes to break down the testosterone, it then turns into DHT. So pretty much that is what all of these products, they work synergistically together, and they help to, open up the hair follicle, bring forth nutrients and health back into the hair follicle, which is currently blocked, specifically if you are suffering from alopecia in many cases. There are different types of alopecia that have different types of problems that different types of causes. For example, could be from inflammation, traction, alopecia, scarring, or from other medical issues. So with the BioCure shampoo, we're going to read a little bit about that. Okay, this is a mild, gentle formula. Now this, it has no SLS, it's non-sulfate, so it's non-irritating to the scalp, which is very important when you're trying to regrow back your hair. It has 11 of the best DHT blockers, and it helps to provide a fuller, thicker, and healthier hair. So this is excellent. We don't have not 2, not 4, but 11 DHT blockers. Girl, child, you can't get no better than that. Okay. Okay, now, this is one of the last products within this product package. And it is the Extreme Growth Therapy Hair Drops. And this has DHT in it as well. And you must, I'm going to say it again. Okay, you're listening up. You're ready. You got your pen. Okay. You must use this 2 times a day. So you need to apply in the morning and in the evening. So that wraps up all that's in this package. And so pretty much if you want your hair to grow back, you need to follow these instructions on this package. And also, as I was saying, we offer customized one-on-one virtual appointments. Although now we have the COVID-19, so we have a lot of virtual appointments that are available. Now, we will give you the first 10 to 15 minutes for free, which we will pretty much just discuss briefly some of your issues and, just pretty much suggest products and different treatments that we make that can be shipped to your home. However, if you want to get a more comprehensive diagnosis or product recommendation or different suggestions, then you need to set up your Trichology virtual consultations, which start off at $45, and they last about 40 minutes. We will be raising the rates, possibly after the COVID, after society has gone back to normal, but more people will be able to visit in-house. So we thank you so much for your time. We hope there was enough information. Also, we are going to be partnering with a CBD company that actually has their own farm out in Colorado. And we're going to be partnering together. We're going to be able to get the raw CBD. We're going to be implementing this in some of our hair treatments. So keep a lookout for Main Attractions in the Pure Virgin Main Hair Loss Clinic. We're going to be doing big things in 2020. I know that we might have had a rough start the last or midpoint on the last couple of weeks, but this is just the beginning. Only the best is yet to come. Stay safe and be blessed, and get your hair products, honey. Okay. This is the DMV Weave Doctor, and we look forward to speaking to you at another time. Have a great day.